Zedia Media is the name of the company, and the podcast is Brand Archetypes. But I do notice that like the colors are not the same, the fonts are not the same. So I'm really curious to understand, like, how are we supposed to think about like branding and that full message moving through, like with our podcast and our business combined?
Yeah. So this is a unique situation where I am doing brand archetypes with my mentor, Kevin Scarrett, who has his own marketing company, which is called Flock Marketing. I have Zedia Media, and then we do brand archetypes together. So brand archetypes is a tool that Zedia Media uses with our clients, and it's a branding concept. So even though it is part of my business, it started off as its own separate thing.
Yeah.
So because Kevin and I kind of owned it together and did that together and separately from our individual companies. So Kevin's looking at retiring at the end of this year, actually just in a few weeks, and I'm going to be heading up more of brand archetypes. So lately, as I create the episodes, I have been using my fonts and more of my colors and things like that, because eventually I will be bringing it truly under the umbrella of Zedia Media. So it's been a little tricky. And if I have to say, if anything bugs me in that type A way, that it's that. Okay. Because it is a little bit inconsistent just because of the way that we first started it and that we were doing it as a partnership. However, I have another podcast that I do under Zedia Media with a co-host, and that's a local one where we interview local business owners. And that one is fully branded to Zedia Media. So okay. I get it. Yeah. And ideally you would want to brand it all the same if your podcast was part of your company.